Welcome back to my channel where creativity has no limits. I am Anil Ferrao aka Mr. Ferrao and you are watching Artisticity. So today we'll see how I did this commissioned interior wall painting. So without much blabbering, let's dive into the video. So this was the reference image I was given for the interior wall painting. Simple triangular design which I had to replicate. So I started off with random dots on the wall surface with a pencil. And I was lucky enough to get a wooden stick which helped me connect all the dots on the wall. And the longer stick for long lines, obviously. Please be careful when using ladders to paint or draw because my pencil slipped from my hand and died on the spot. Next I jumped on to preparing the paints because my pencil was dead. For painting this wall, I used white emulsion wall paint and stainers to make the white paint into bluish grey tones. Well, I used a flat brush to paint, but soon realized that this was not working out because the edges of the triangles were jagged and wobbly and was looking very unprofessional. So here comes the hero of this video, the masking tape. You guys can buy this masking tape from any of your stationery shop, or if you want to buy online from Amazon, then there is a link in the description. So I had to tape each triangle around the border and paint inside. With the help of the masking tape, I was stress-free about the wobbly and jagged lines, and when the paint dried, I removed the tape having perfect and smooth straight lines. So I repeated the process of making the triangles and filling them with different tones of grey. And I used a roller to even out the texture of the paint because just applying the paint with the brush was creating that brush strokes texture. So using a sponge roller evens out the texture and gives the triangle a perfect finished look. One advice I would like to give is that try to paint the triangles starting from top to bottom, because if by mistakenly a paint drop falls on another triangle and let's say you don't have the gray tone of that triangle, then you will have to tape the triangle and repaint the whole triangle again. So paint carefully and slowly. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from Artisticity. Also check out the description area for any interesting links. That's all for today. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay creative.